Look at this. Look at this broken. Look at this. Look at this. Why should a broken item be delivered to me with my money, the money I bought? I need a replacement immediately, please. Look at this. Broken, spoiled, dismantled. Look at. Is this fair enough? This is so frustrating and disappointing. Look at this. Look at. Broken. How can I order for something and a broken item is delivered to me? Look at this. This is so bad. This is bad. This is so disappointing. I'm so much disappointed with this. I'm so much disappointed.